everyone, I am Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance, and we are back for day 20 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I cannot believe how fast it's going. I'm kind of a hot mess, trying to get all my stuff done too, so it's been a little crazy. I did do the project, however, and I cannot wait to show you it. It is really cool. All right, but first, let's open day 20. I guessed clips. We'll see. All right. Okay, this is what I'm seeing. That was just my phone. Let me turn off the sound on my phone. There we go. That's what I'm seeing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right. It is a little sewing machine Lego set. All right, this is so cool because my husband and I started a new tradition this year, and we put one of those big Lego sets together. We did I forget what the name of it is. I have to put it up here, but let me show you. I'm gonna go get it. Look at it. Look, there's so much cool stuff in here. This is perfect. Oh my goodness, it kind of fits with our theme this year. We're gonna make one each year, I think. We had so much fun doing it. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. It looks like it has a hanger to hang it on the tree. And yes, Chuck the Duck is there. Oh my goodness, we will build this. We definitely will build this together, and I'll show you tomorrow. Oh, I love it. All right, yesterday's project. I have it here. It's all done. Now I made a table topper. I decided not to do a pillow. I have so many pillows. And I really just wanted something like this as a table topper. As I started building it, it was coming out beautiful. Few things. The pattern is a little, I don't want to say wrong, but there's some issues with the pressing instructions because it tells you to press so that the seams nest, but when you do the individual block and press it so the seams nest, then the blocks don't nest together. So I suggest opening your seams, or I don't know, maybe figuring it out ahead of time. The chenille was a lot of fun. So here's a picture of it before I washed it, and then here's after, of course. Now the middle, I didn't put it real close together, so if I were to do it again, I would. I'd probably add some because we had a ton of stuff left over. You can see there's all kinds of stuff left over. So I probably could add some now and rewash it. I did wash it on warm and I dried it on low, I think. Yeah, low. And it did crinkle up, but I love that look. If you watch any of my tutorials, I love that look. I am going to show you the back. Here it is. Now, when I was quilting it, at that point, I was still going to make it into a pillow, or I probably would have put a print on the back, but, well, this is the way it is. I love how it turned out. I love that it pushed me out of my comfort zone, made me use this chenille. That I've never done chenille this way before, ever, and it was a lot of fun. So for this project, because the pattern is $10, and the chenille, when I figured out all the math, because you buy it in rolls of, I think, 25 yards. So I figured out all the math. It was only a couple dollars for the amount of chenille we got. So I'm going to put this at $13, yesterday's item. Okay, so let's do our totals. That brings us to a total of $317.50 with $126.75 overage. Hi, Daisy. I see you. I see you. Okay, we're gonna guess. So warning, 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 I'm gonna guess for day 21. Here we go, I'm lifting it up. It's a box, and it's another one of the village pieces. What is that? It's super light. It's round, I think. I don't think it's breakable, just because it is so light and it's bouncing around in there. Hopefully it's not breakable and I'm not breaking it. We'll have to see tomorrow. All right, I will see you tomorrow for day 21 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. And I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, even if we are in this crazy busy season. And yeah, I'll see you. Bye.